There are 4 main seasons in a year: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season feels different and brings its own kind of weather. Sometimes the air is warm and dry, and other times it is cold or rainy. Understanding the seasons helps us know what kind of weather to expect and how to adjust our daily activities. Spring is the season of new beginnings. The weather becomes warmer after the cold winter. Flowers start to bloom, and the trees grow fresh green leaves. Many animals come out of their homes and find food. Gentle rain showers help plants, grass, and crops grow. The days slowly become longer, and nature looks full of life again. Summer is the hottest season of the year. The sun shines brightly, and the days are long. People like to wear light clothes and spend time outside. Many enjoy swimming, going to the beach, or having picnics under the shade. The heat helps fruits like mangoes, melons, and berries grow well. Sometimes, staying cool and drinking enough water becomes very important. Autumn is the season when the weather turns cooler and leaves change their colors. Trees fill the air with bright red, orange, and yellow shades before the leaves fall to the ground. The days become shorter, and the air feels crisp. Farmers harvest crops during this time, and people prepare for the coming cold of winter. Winter is the coldest season of the year. The air becomes chilly, and in many places, snow covers the ground. People wear warm clothes, drink hot tea or soup, and light fires to stay comfortable. The days are shorter and the nights are longer. Some animals go into deep sleep, called hibernation, to save energy during this cold time. The rainy season brings heavy clouds, thunder, and frequent rain. The air becomes cooler, and everything looks fresh and green. Rainwater helps plants, flowers, and trees grow faster. Rivers, lakes, and ponds fill up with water. People often carry umbrellas and wear raincoats to stay dry. It is a time when nature feels alive and full of energy. Sunny days are bright and cheerful. The sky stays clear, and sunlight covers everything with a warm glow. The bright light helps plants make food through a process called photosynthesis. People feel more active and happy on sunny days. It is a good time for playing outside, exercising, or enjoying outdoor activities with friends and family. Every place on Earth experiences different types of weather. Some days are hot and sunny, while others are cold, windy, or rainy. Weather keeps changing from one season to another and affects our clothes, food, and even how we travel. By observing the weather, we can understand nature better and plan our lives more safely and comfortably.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.